Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can create account in your Credit Karma app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Credit Karma app, and once you open it you need to tap on the sign up option. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. All you need to do is simply type in your email address as well as your password of your newly created account and hit the sign up button. After you do so, you will be able to get access to your newly formed or newly created Credit Karma account. Now you can simply surf through it and browse in all the facilities which are provided by Credit Karma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.